So hardy on. And so, learning a posture or series of postures is no different to a child learning to ride a bike. The more they try mentally to ride the bike, the harder it is for them to learn to ride the bike, until at some point the child lets go and works it out through a process of trial and error. There's this desire or need to want to ride the bike when the child hasn't learnt to ride it yet. And so there has to be this pulling back. And so you learn directly, learning directly from the brain through the body to the brain. So the body is responding to the brain and the brain is responding to the body. And the breath is there. The breath is there. So I don't need to think about the breathing process. I just concentrate. When I first started this, I learned to ride the posture as a child learns to ride the bike, and then once that happens, it's naturally automatic, but I remain consciously aware of what's going on, so it never goes into second